This is my desire to honor you, Lord, with all my heart. I worship you, worship you, Lord. All I have within me, I give you praise. All that I adore is in